In this video, we are going to see how we can unblock an email address that you recently blocked on Gmail. And we are going to see both of the methods, whether you want to do it from the filters or whether you want to just find that specific email and just unblock them directly. So let's see how we can do this. First of all, just log into your browser, open up Gmail and sign in with your ID. And once you do that, just open up the specific email address from the sender that you blocked. And once you open any of the email from that sender, it will show you the option that you blocked this person. And if you want to unblock them, you can simply unblock them from here. So you click on unblock sender, you click on unblock, and all of the emails from that specific sender will be unblocked. But let's say that you have recently blocked them from here, or you have actually added it to the block list via filters. So for that, we will head over to the settings or gear icon on the top right hand corner and click on see all settings. Click on filters and block addresses. And as you can see, all the email addresses that are blocked will be shown as a list here. So whatever we want to unblock, let's say this one, next to it is the unblock option. So we'll click on that unblock option, click on unblock, confirm the unblock. And if there is some filter applied to it, for example, from this email, whenever the email is received, it says deleted. So you want to delete this filter as well. Click on the delete option next to it. So the filter will also be deleted. So that is how you can unblock an email address completely on Gmail. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.